Now watch this.
That was brutal.
Creating these type of cinematic scenes does not require you a high-end camera, high-end directors. You can directly achieve these results using the AI prompt. Here, as you can see, some few more demos. With just single prompt, I have generated this. Let me show you one more demo. See, this is amazing, right? With just single prompt, I have created this, and with all you have to need is a prompt and a start frame and a simple tool. So in this episode, I will demonstrate you how you can create these kind of cinematic scenes with ChatGPT prompts and the start frame image. Okay, so I will demonstrate you everything step by step. All you have to do is go to Google, search for Higgsfield AI. Okay, here you can see various options like image, video, character, in Paint, Cinematic Studio, Motion Control, and there are many community based visual effects available here. You can directly upload your image and add these kind of effects in your videos directly. Okay, so that's amazing, and you don't have to start everything from scratch, and you can see what kind of outputs you can generate here, right? So all you have to do is go to Cinematic Studio from here in the Higgsfield AI, and the bottom section you can select what if you want video or image. If you want image, you can select this. For videos, you can select this option, and here you have to add the prompt, what kind of cinematic scene you have to generate. For that, for example, I have given the prompt like this. Okay, see, give me a scene prompt and start frame image for Hollywood like dragon scene. I have just mentioned the basic prompt here, Hollywood like dragon scene. If you give more details, it will add more details in your scene as well. Okay, see, give me a prompt as well for Higgsfield AI. If you mention the tool name here, that will give you more precise output for your scene. Okay, this is a start frame image and this is a prompt. So all you have to do is copy this prompt here. Okay, you don't have to direct it from scratch. The prompt is more specific and designed to give the action to that frame image, right? So this is simple image which has been turned into that video, right? So that's amazing, and from here you can select the new project. Okay, and in the bottom you can add the prompt, start frame, and select the image, upload the image from here. I will select this. You can select the aspect ratio. If you want this in real format, you can select this. If you want the video in cinematic mode, 16:9 ratio, you can select this. Okay, then you can generate this from here. It will take some time, but the output is really amazing. Give me Hollywood airplane cinematic scene. So I just given this Hollywood airplane cinematic scene, and this is the output. Okay, amazing, right? And this is the prompt for that. So we don't have to worry about anything. Everything is done by ChatGPT and the tool Higgsfield AI. If you want to give detailing to the images, you can add that as well. You can see the generated output here. If you want to download this, you can download it from here directly. And you can also publish it for community use. And let me show you the output. Cool, right? I hope you got the understanding how you can create these kind of cinematic scenes in Higgsfield AI. I hope you will also like this tool. You can select the models from here as well. See, here we have Nano Banana Pro, CDRAM 4.5 GPT image. Okay, so there are many AI models already integrated over here. All you have to do is just be creative, a single prompt, and this tool will do amazing things for you. Okay, you can also explore this kind of effects. Okay, I have just given this simple image of a developer, and this is the output. Okay, you can select any visual effect. I have selected this effect. You can, for example, if I select this, okay, Here I have uploaded the image, and to get this image I have just given the prompt to ChatGPT, give me a standing cute developer boy. Okay, so this is the output, and I have uploaded that image here. Okay, you can select the model like you want. If you want OpenAI Sora 2 Google View, you can select the model of your choice and it will give the output. Okay, you can select the duration and the resolution as well. Okay, the model will take some time to generate this, but this is the output. It's really cool, right? Now you can explore this as well. Sketch turns into a cinema. Now from sketch to video. Okay, let's quickly create one sketch here using ChatGPT and upload here. Let's see what happens. I will go to ChatGPT here. Let's type sketch into video. Help me with the prompt to create a sketch of mountains. Let's see. Okay, so complete sketch is getting written here. I will write a create an image for me. Let's see what kind of sketch we get here. Let's download this, and here we will upload the media. Sketch to video. As you can see the output here, let's see what is the output.
I believe we're finally here.
Yeah. That ridge in the middle, that's the one we're heading for.
It's even bigger up close.
Worth the climb though.
If you want to explore more, you can visit the website Higgsfield AI and you can try out the things on your own. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the today's tutorial on this AI tool. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching.